Hello, my name is Wight and I'm an osteopathic manual practitioner at Proactive Pelvic Health. And I've also been teaching yoga and movement for about 15 years. So today I want to talk to you about a snapshot of the body, which in this case is the neck. So it is an area of many complaints for many people. So lots of tension being held there, and then as is commonly described for various reasons, we know that we're in certain positions very often. And so with that can come a lot of distress and or discomfort and or pain. And there are numerous reasons for this, but in general, if we're going to look at what we can do on our own, I think something that we can start with is, first of all, some self-awareness. So sort of feeling out what actually is going on and perhaps what your body might need. And second is just movement in general. So in modern life, there are lots of reasons as to why we don't really move. For me, I'm always suggesting to people, everybody become a yoga teacher, because it sort of puts movement into your day automatically. So when I'm teaching, I do this, and as a result, I don't have to think about it. But in that case, I'm going to bring it to you. So if you're not a yoga teacher and you want to just start doing some movement practices, I think this is a great one. It can also be just spread throughout your day. Take a moment, and as you will see, you'll also be able to spend some time just taking deep breaths, which is also really important. So, neck area, before I begin my classes, or rather at the start of all my classes, I go through a series of movements, and so I would encourage you to do with me. Really simple, and it'll take about 30 to 60 seconds. And yeah, so follow along if you're interested. You can do it from anywhere. So you're just sitting up, crown of the head towards the ceiling, or the sky, wherever you're at, if you're standing. And if it's okay for you to close your eyes, do so. And then we're just breathing. So you're relaxing your shoulders, relaxing your face, and you're just noticing how you feel. So now we're going to move the head and neck together. So I'll call out the breathing as well. So inhale, your head is straight, you're really lifting the neck. And exhale, you're dropping the chin to the chest. Inhale, lift. And exhale, tilt the head back, throat is exposed. Inhale, lift the crown of your head. Exhale, drop the chin to the chest. And now we're going to roll the neck. So you're going to inhale and roll the neck, ear to shoulder on the right side to begin with. And exhale, roll down. So it's only half circles. There's a reason for that. Inhale and roll. And exhale, roll down, chin to chest. So one more each side. Inhale and roll. So you'll notice maybe how the sensation feels on the opposite side of the neck. Exhale, roll down. Other side, inhale. And exhale. Roll down. Bring the head back up to neutral. Gently open your eyes and just be interested, be curious in how you feel, and I hope that this gave you some moment of awareness and a little bit of relaxation, and take care.